Today, we are here to commemorate and celebrate the completion of the solar panel projects done by NEFIN on the rooftops of Alliance's Sai Tso Wan 2 plant. This plant is Alliance's third concrete batching plant to install solar PV systems.
With the help of NEFIN, this is a great achievement for Alliance. As a leader of our industry, carbon reduction has long been a core element of our strategies. We strive to work with our industry and community to realise the Net Zero 2050 global initiative and vision. Developing this solar PV system at our plants is a key step for achieving our sustainability ambition. I would like to thank the teams of Alliance and NEFIN in realising this fantastic project.
NEFIN is very glad to partner with Alliance and CKI Group in developing carbon neutral solutions in Hong Kong and globally. Thank you for their support and trust. And this solar project is our third project with Alliance. This is also an excellent demonstration of long-term collaboration from the two corporations in contributing to Hong Kong sustainability goals.
Now may I invite both of you to officiate the ribbon cutting ceremony. On the count of 3, please cut the ribbon and officiate for us. 1, 2, 3.